This one got a couple of taps to change. Washers are knackered in them. And this one squeals like a big. Customers bought some new ones. Quarter turn for the ease. No valves on it, so cut these out. Flexible tap connectors with isolation valve on. Using your tap set from Today's Tools. Nope. Something out of the way to stop taps bathing. That's that on. I'll do the hot. Right, get water back on now. Panic over and whip out these old taps. That one's already started getting itself out for me. Got the hot one off. We're going to take 2 on the cold. Shit. Oh, man. Both water on and take a look at this trap, which is leaking. It's probably an old washer or something. And I'll take a look at that now actually. Yes, things like that, washes goosed. Just replace them. So I replaced the 2 O-rings in that P-trap. I have got these, don't know if it's showing the right way around, but Flowmaster trap seal replacement kits, but it only has 1 of the flat faced O-rings and I needed 2. So what I did is just strip down a new P-trap that I had in the van but wasn't adjustable. Customer will just have to pay for a new trap and I'll just get some new seals for it. But it is what it is. Next one. Right, this one we called out to is basically a potable expansion vessel has fallen off the wall because it's not been serviced in a long time. So we're currently trying to recharge this up in position to try and take some of that weight off. Obviously the cold water's shut off and the hot tap opened, but it's completely goosed, this one. That shouldn't have any water in. It's done a bit of damage to the cold feed to the cylinder as well. Customer's actually got quite lucky here. One nasty kink. So I cleaned up these 2, I'll just renew that piece and remount it. So this block of wood here is only been put there to keep the expansion vessel square when you're tightening up because the bracket's, well, this bracket is a bit terrible. I've refixed it higher up on a stud with some washers. I'm just going to recharge this one outside temporary because it needs replacing, but I want to get the water and everything back on for the customer tonight, so it'll manage tonight. There she is. Back on. Until tomorrow and I have to come back and swap it again. So I've been called out to this CDI, favourite boiler this, don't tell Baxi, with a little leak. Although up there it looks like it's been leaking for some time. Customer says he's losing pressure as well, so hopefully this is on the heating side and that is what the issue is. But health and safety is non-existent currently. Don't lean back. A little bit. If the camera will focus. Move, spider. No, it's not. It's grease. Ah. It's looking like it's the flow washer. Well, that looks like a lot of damage. It looks like it's more Oh no, it might be the flow washer and the hot. I'll get this condensate trap out, which for those who don't know, this white pipe pulls off. Got a clip here, which you pull down, and then this will pull forward, obviously taking that white pipe off. Always put a towel above, on top of the PCB, because sometimes it can decide it's going to siphon out or just drip, and just protect it. Speaking from experience, I have dropped water on these before, and it goes into disco mode, and depending on the age of it, you have to change all the wiring loom as well. Wasn't my smartest move. There's plenty of stories like that though, plenty. This is a tip I'll give anyone. Whenever you're changing parts on a boiler, normally, unless it's backseat, normally they'll come with multiple extra washers, fibre washers and O-rings and all this. And just keep them. Just keep them for moments like this. I don't think I'll be able to fit a thick one onto the Worcester because they have like a little flange it's got to sit on. But hopefully in here we've got something sorted out. So whilst we're out to empty, I'll just, if I can find it, I'll pick the camera, shut off the cold feed to the boiler, because obviously I've got to sort out that hot one as well, which I suspect is more the hot one that's filling this bowl underneath, and that flow one causing the pressure loss every few weeks. Well, that weren't that tight, were it? Not to the pressure of this, but that is tight, because that's on an O-ring day. Just spin it out of the way to get access to this washer, which clearly is in its best. Pull that off. Pressure gauge has also got a leak on it, so we'll pull that out and change the O-ring on that whilst we're here before I fill it back up. Try and get that, don't want to swear, but bastard off. Sometimes things just need a little shock. There she is, 2 washes later and an O-ring. Cover back on. I'll shoot off to last one, wrote best one. I'll shoot off to the next one. Thanks for watching.